In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to change Windows lock screen through Wallpaper Engine. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. If you are using a specific wallpaper through Wallpaper Engine and you would like to set your Windows lock screen to that wallpaper, all that you have to do is open Wallpaper Engine, go to the settings, and then switch over to the General tab. On the General tab, scroll down until you find the Windows category, so it should be the third one from the top. And finally, you will find the one relevant option, Override Lock Screen Image. You can also take this option here, Override Wallpaper Image, but of course the focus of this video is going to be the second one, Override Lock Screen Image. This is going to take the wallpaper that you are currently using in Wallpaper Engine and use it on the lock screen for Windows. There's no secret to this. Now, as far as I understand, this will only allow you to set a static image. So because of the way that Windows is set up and used, you cannot do animated wallpapers on the lock screen. So if that's all you wanted to do, a static image, just click OK and you will be good to go. But if you are curious about this, you can visit the official Wallpaper Engine Troubleshooting and FAQ website. As you can see, what they have to say is that the Windows login screen is not to be modified as a design decision by Microsoft. So you can set a static wallpaper by ticking this option, and there's no risk involved in this. It is easy to do. But besides this, it seems like you cannot do animated wallpapers. So all that this option here is going to do is take a snapshot of the current wallpaper that you are using and then use it on the lock screen of Windows. So just take this option here, click OK, and you will be good to go. Besides this, you won't be able to modify it in any significant way using Wallpaper Engine, so that's the only option relevant for this video. So I hope I was able to help you. If this video helped you, please consider subscribing. As you can see, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. By subscribing, you can help us make higher quality videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.